All right, so I made it to the drop, and I'm gonna show you why this is one of the worst ones. So, as you see, the driveway is full. I'll show you here in a second. So this is why this is one of the worst ones. There's really no place to lay the panels. The driveway is full. Typically, you try to get the panels as close to the house as possible. Make it easier for the installers. But I don't want to have to carry those panels up this hill. So normally this is how a neighborhood goes. You see this house right here is the only house that has solar panels in the neighborhood. And that's how it goes. Typically one house to get them, and then everybody else in the neighborhood will start getting them. Oh, man, this was a tough one. And it's cold, so and gotta walk each pallet, each panel up this hill. It's cold. So each panel up the hill, there goes some of the equipment over there, some of it over there. But each panel, one by one, up this steep hill. So yeah. So the installer, he has to go up there and clean the roof off. He's getting the roof ready to put the panels up. Got the equipment unloaded in 2 different spots. This is one, like the customer here, no assistance. He wasn't cooperative at all. They got 4 cars in the driveway, and normally you pull in the driveway and we unload the panels on that side of the house. But the owner came out a few times, didn't want to move his cars. Therefore, we on the side of the road and had to take the panels up that hill. And it's cold. You still see the ice on the ground. The sun's starting to come up.